I know you, don't I? I'm usually very good with names, but I'll be damned if I haven't forgotten yours.
You stole my cab.
I've never stolen anything in my life.
I hailed a cab on Park Avenue this afternoon, and before I could get in it, you stole it.
You're the guy who tried to get my cab. I knew you, yeah. You scared the bejesus out of me. Come to think of it, it was awful easy to get a cab during rush hour.
Forget it.
I can't forget it. I am sorry. I had no idea that was your cab. Let me make it up to you somehow, huh, please? How about a nice hot dog and a beer?
No thanks.
Just a hot dog, then.
I'm kind of picky about what I eat.
Some coffee.
No.
Milk?
No.
Soda?
No.
Some tea?
No.
Lifesavers?
No.
Slurpee?
Sir, please.
Just let me know. I'm here. I knew you.
This is something you should have discussed with the ticket agent.
I couldn't discuss it with the ticket agent because I didn't know he put me in coach.
I'm sorry, I can't help you. First class is full.
I have a first-class ticket.
You have a coach seat assignment. Hi, Larry.
Hi, Liz. Here okay, or how about over there?
Oh, here, there, anywhere's fine.
Pardon me.
Save your boarding pass and you'll get a refund on the difference.
I don't want a refund. I want a seat in first class where I was booked and ticketed over a month ago.
Look, I have had just about enough of you. Now take your seat.
Oh, you've had about enough of me. First you delay me, then you bump me. I can't wait to see what happens next.
Is this a coincidence or what? Have a seat. I never did introduce myself. Del Griffith, American Light and Fixture, Director of Sales, Shower Curtain Ring Division. I sell shower curtain rings. Best in the world. And you are?
Neal Page.
Neal Page. Pleased to meet you, Neal Page. So what do you do for a living, Neal Page?
Marketing.
Marketing. Super. Fabulous. Isn't that nice?
Look, I don't want to be rude, but I'm not much of a conversationalist, and I'd really like to finish this article. A friend of mine wrote it, so...
Don't let me stand in your way. Please don't let me stand in your way. The last thing I want to be remembered as is an annoying blabbermouth. You know, nothing grinds my gears worse than some chowderhead who doesn't know when to keep his big trap shut. You catch me running off with the mouth, just give me a poke in the chops. Oh, that feels good. Oh, God, I'm telling you. My dogs are barking today. Whew. Oh. That feels better. $6 and my right nut says we're not landing in Chicago.